Hi guys, this is Roberto Muyela, the guy who is behind the Tour Kenya on Bicycle YouTube channel. You rarely hear my voice, but today I have good news. Following your support, I have been able to acquire a gadget. This is our new professional camera which we are going to use during our shoots and during our biking expeditions. Tour Kenya on Bicycle is a channel that I founded in March 2022, and I use it to show Kenyans some few places where I tour on my beloved bicycle, which I have branded Bay, and sometimes I call it the Beast. So I've been using my phone to shoot, and as you have been following my channel, you might have realized that some of those videos are not very stable. Most of them are shaky, and that is why I decided to get this nice professional camera. So today I will be unboxing it and I will be showing it to you. But before that, I've been using my phone and also another camera here. But this camera, I bought it on Kilimall. I really didn't like it. Its audio is poor. The video is 1080p, but its sensor is just 5 megapixels. So the photos and the videos are not so good. But the goodness of this camera is that it can shoot nice photos at a high frame rate to 60 fps, 60 frames per second at 720p, and 80 and 30 frames per second at 1080p. The advantage of this is that you can shoot uh, nice images while in motion, which is something that the phone camera doesn't have. The phone camera is just good for shooting videos of events or places or things that are not in motion. So let us unbox this and see how it looks like. Wow, I already like it. It's a 4K HDV. 16 megapixel. 16 megapixels, a 4K. It can shoot at 4K video at 30 frames per second. It can accommodate a card of up to 64 GB. It has a wide angle lens of up to 170 degrees, Wi-Fi, and it's waterproof. Oh, this is nice. This is a remote control. I expect us to get better shots. Better shots. Here is the camera. I think I'm more interested at looking at it. Nice. See the way it looks like in this waterproof casing. Waterproof casing. How do I even open it? But I think I know how to operate it. So this is the camera. The remote control is here. It's another casing. These are some of the things I'll be using to attach it either on the bicycle, on the helmet, some of the attachables, or anywhere I want to clamp my camera. We have the charger, the USB charger. We have the, where is this place? This one is placed on the bike's handlebars. If I want to mount it there, we have a piece to wipe the lens, and some of these clamps I can use them to mount on my chest mount. Some of the adhesives, This is oh, this is called the zip ties and other mount, other adhesives that I'll be using to mount the camera wherever I want. Then we have the guide. Most people don't read it. I'm not sure if I'll read it. Then how do we open this camera so that we can see the action? Wow, it's opened like that. Then you pull behind. These are waterproof casing up to 30 meters, I think. Wow. It's the OK button. This is the mode. I think I should remove this. This is the lens. I even don't know how to operate it, but it's okay. I'm going to fumble with it. Maybe if you press OK, will it go on? I'm really not sure about it. Maybe the battery is down. Is the battery inside? We need to check. Oh yes, the battery is inside, but it seems the battery is not charged. So what I'll do, I will just have the battery charged. Then after it wakes up, let me try again. Too long press. We have a mini HDMI output around here, and then the USB charger for power, then up and down buttons here. The battery is inside. How do you even retract it? I don't know what it means. This is the battery. Small battery, but I think it's flat. That is why it's not booting the camera. Let me check the camera. Then it's on. I was using the wrong button. It's telling me there's a need to calibrate it. It's okay. I will fish an SD card from this other camera. This one must always have an SD card. It's mounted here. Nice. Now we need to calibrate it. Maybe I'll turn it off. Then on again so that we can calibrate it. I don't think I'm so green. But the fact that I was not able to use the right button to turn it on, it means I must read the manual. What happens when you press OK? That is a nice shooting. This one is 4K. The video is pretty clear. Wi-Fi is on. Some of the features you can use to share videos or photos from this camera to my phone. Normal 4K. Wi-Fi on. So that is it, guys. I will shoot my first video using this sport camera, and I will post it and we will sample it. I think we will be able to know how good or bad this piece of technology is. Otherwise, thank you very much for the support. If you've not yet subscribed to Tour Bicycle on Kenya, please subscribe and help me grow. It's owing to your support that I have been able to acquire this, and I say thank you very much. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.